Well, howdy there, backslide. Looks like you got the Christmas spirit. I do, I surely do, Lefty. Fact is, I just finished playing a concert and whoa, Nelly, I done worked me up a powerful thirst. Well, here's a sure cure for that backslide. Drink up, amigo. Say, did you play your horn at the concert? Oh yeah, sure did. Fact is, I was the featured soloist. See, it were an outdoor concert, and they weren't hardly nobody there at the first, but once I started playing, whoa, Nelly, the crowd come a-running. Oh, that's great. Did they have refreshments, too? Yes, sir. Bunch of holiday treats, and whoa, Nelly, the crowd done tore into 'em like flies on a Hershey bar. I could barely hear my horn for all the cud chewing going on. Oh boy, wished I could have been there. Tell you, I've been so busy I ain't had a snack all day. Ain't heard no pretty Christmas songs neither, 'cause old One Spur in the back, he keeps playing the jukebox, the same darn stupid song over and over again. Oh, what songs he been a-playing back there, Lefty? Oh, you know that nutty song his nephew done writ. Oh, yeah. Santa's stuck in the chimney and Granny's lighting the fire. Now, I hate that crazy thing. Me too. Give me the good old-timey songs, like I Saw Mama Kissing Rudolph and I'll Be Stoned for Christmas. Right, Lefty, right you are. Them's the best. I love 'Twere the Fight Before Christmas and Go Sing It on Brokeback Mountain, too. Oh, yeah, them's good uns. You know, don't nobody write songs like them there nowadays no more, backslide. No, they sure don't. Well, I gotta run, Lefty. I got another herd to play for over at the Crazy G. Nice talking to you, backslide. Play purty now. Back up the wagon. Herd? Did he say herd? Tarnation, I thought he done said herd. Oh, silly me. That couldn't be. That could not be. Whoa, Nelly, I need me a drink. Herd. Oh.